Bro, this 34 is sick. It's a GTT. This is clean. I love this car. The red with the freaking consize. That should be hitting. Damn. I can see myself in one of these for sure. This is sick. Ferrari's pretty nice. Damn. Bro, imagine the Z in here with some photos. Woo. That's clean right there. Won't let me go in here. Such a beautiful car. Wow, this is sick. These cars are amazing, but I don't know. I'm more of a tuner guy. Beautiful though. And we got a Gallardo over here. I like this silver. This is sick.
I've got a pink color garage.
Yeah, this Gallardo's nice. And an ACR Viper. Damn. I wonder if I fit in one of these. Bro, this car is so sexy from the factory. Shit. The Ford GT is probably one of my favorites now. This is sick. I think these are cars that people actually own that drove in here. That's cool. Fuck, I wonder how much money is in here. Damn, the pearl white on this thing is, oof. This is the one you were talking about?
Which one?
Or that green one? Bro, this green color though. This thing just hits different. I love Lamborghini just for the fact of all the colors that they come in. It's like a candy store. Shit look like a Batmobile. Holy crap. Damn. All right, Bruce Wayne. Wow, this is beautiful. It's nice blue. This color is sick. Ooh, that STO is nice. Damn. Can't forget about the purple. That's sick. Another 4GT. Bro, this thing is too clean, bro. Sheesh. Johnny over here is stunning. God, this NSX is so fire. Whew. And it sounds so good, bro.
I want to put a little bug in your
Yeah. Damn, this thing is on the B-locks. Okay, fast guy, we see you. That's badass, bro. I feel like there's a lot of cars that can't pull off freaking a car in a big tire, but that one, and that color too is sick. Mm-hmm. Bro, this wrap is sick. Yeah, there you go. Remove some of that glare. Let me know how you guys like this footage. I'm recording with the Osmo 3 and I'm using the mic. So hopefully all of this comes out pretty good. This is nice. Damn, they got a big ass intercooler too. You know they're pushing some puppies. Sheesh. These things are sick. Very nice. Bro, this car is loud as fuck. Is it? This M3 right here is the V8 one. You got a nice exhaust on it. We see you, Vince, and your buddy. Sick as hell. Woof. RS6. That sounds nice as fuck. So what's up, guys? That was a little car meet that we went to. There's gonna be more stuff going on later today. But we are about to head home. I need to go get some jugs so I can fill up with E85 because it's right next to the gas station. But yeah, that was pretty much it for here. Now I'm letting the car warm up. There's some sick cars here though. Some nice exotics and stuff like that. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. We're definitely gonna see what we get into later on tonight. It's about to be dope. That's a sick ass car in front of me. I think it's a Chaser. Yeah, that thing is sick. That's badass. But yeah, I'm gonna catch you guys in a little bit.
A few moments later.
Headed back out now to there's another car meet later tonight, but you know, gotta go get some E85. Got 2 more jugs in the back, so damn, this bitch is clean. 370Z is also built at Soho. He got the 17s because I guess he got the bigger brake kit and the back from being a Nismo. But it's nice. Interior's clean. And then, damn, I got the buckets that I want. I don't know how comfortable they are to sit on, but I need to find me some new seats eventually.
I don't need to because you're already.
Bro, the new Nissan Z? It's tight fire, I ain't gonna lie. You need some camber though, for sure. But this shit's sick, I like those wheels. That's nice. And then the Q, always been my favorite. 2 doors. How you doing? Love the 2 doors. It's crazy, both of these cars have the same motor. This is pretty dope. That's cool. Well, let's walk around and look at some of these cars. Oh, these bright ass colors. Bro, I was talking to Kevin. I need me this. Shit's titanium. It's fire. And then she got the titanium, like intake piping, and catch can, and the reservoir. That's just kind of sick. Yeah, these cars are freaking fire. It's so dirty though. And we got my Z. Sheesh. The Z boys out here today. Damn, look at this guy. Woof. This thing definitely on air. That a tomato? That's crazy. I guess I could pop my hood. Damn, flexing on the Blitz 03s. Okay, cool. Mirrors GTR. Where's this guy at? This is nice. It's pretty neat. C5. That's nice. Telling you, bro, BMWs is now like the new Honda Civic. Everybody has one. That's clean. That's sick. Damn. Gotta love a DE. Different green accents. It's pretty nice. I'm telling you, man, you get any car, bag it, put wheels on it, and make it look cool. That's nice. Fuck, this Corvette is crazy camber. Jesus. Wow. And this Genesis too. I'll give these guys props. A little school, I just wouldn't do it. Looks sick. Top off. And a straight drive, that's cool. That looks sick. That's clean. Yo, the Nismo thing is lighting up. Haven't seen that before. That's cool. Damn, the camera of this thing at nighttime is pretty good. Still testing out the Osmo.